So I've been getting requests and I'm just going to show y'all how I make lashes work for me personally. I have a cold, so bear with me. These are the things I use. Eyelash tweezers, hair glue. Yes, I use hair glue. Scissors, and some mascara. Of course, you'll need the actual eyelashes you're going to do the surgery on. First things first, I take the lash, which is my brand, in the style 327, 3D 327, because these are 3D lashes. And I go ahead and measure them to my eye and cut what I don't need. So these are a longer lash from my collection, but they're not too crazy. You can still work with them. These are also good for people who have longer or bigger eyes than me. I go ahead and take the lash, and with no glue or anything, I go ahead and put it on my eye. As you can see, these are clearly too long. There is a lot hanging off. It's just a lot going on, and we don't want to glue them on with them looking like that. That's going to be a mess. So you would go ahead and cut that. I personally cut from the front. So instead of cutting off the length, which is what I want from the lash, I go ahead and cut off the start. It seems crazy, but when you put them on, you can't tell the difference. It doesn't even matter. This is the longer length part that I want to keep. And this is the inner part that I'm not too crazy about. I don't need it, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Cut that off. I have this left to work with, which is still a lot of lash, honey. So when you cut that front part, you're not missing a beat. You still get all your volume, you still get all your length, and you get that little 3D effect still, which I think is gorgeous. So now that we've got our lash customized, it's optional, but I go ahead and put on mascara. It's my personal preference to put on mascara. You don't have to do that. You can glue these suckers on and keep it pushing, but I like for my top and bottom to have a little bit of drama. It's kind of just a whatever coating. I just want my eyelashes to be black. That way I ensure there's no makeup on them and they're not like a beige color when I go ahead and put the actual lash on. Okay, so now that I've got my mascara on my eyeballs, go ahead and take these lash tweezers, which are a lifesaver if you have nails, and go ahead and put the eyelash on the tweezers. I go ahead and put them, and you see that? Amazing. The tricky part is getting the glue on. Now, this is hair glue. It does dry fast. It is not duo. I glue and take a very, very thin line. And this is dark, so it dries dark, almost like eyeliner kind of. Be careful. You do not want to just dump glue on these. It could dry and it probably could come off, but I personally wouldn't chance it. Another pro tip, I honestly don't even open it all the way. I go ahead and kind of have it kind of closed, so then that way not too much can come out and throw me off. So yeah, I keep it about that much open, which is like halfway. You see that coming out? A thin line. You can kind of just dot it, drag it, whatever you need to do. Put some on the ends because those are the first things to usually pop up. Just like a thin line. I have not taken any more glue, just that same dot. And I'm just dragging it along, making sure everything is coated and getting those ends really well. And before she dries, we go ahead and put her on because she will dry and you will be upset. Now you like to use the magnified side. I do not like to use the regular side. I need to see up close, 3D, what I'm doing. So go ahead and take it and just look down, but also keep your eye open and just drop that eyelash onto the skin. We do not want to put it on our actual lashes. That is how you rip your eyelashes out. See? See that little end peeking? I'm gonna go ahead and push that down more on my skin. And that is how you put on an eyelash. These are for purchase. The lashes are for purchase. And if you would like a pair, let me know. Follow me on Instagram, DM me, whatever you want to do. I will get back to you. Thank you for watching.